Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ala Raihana binti Rosdi from AT110 Me and Anissa Azan will be presenting about plantation of rubber.
My name is Anissa. So I will tell our objective. First, manuring of rubber. Second, weeding. Third, pest and disease management and harvesting management.
First of all, the rubber tree, or also known as Hevea brasiliensis, is a fast-growing tree. The rubber tree head can reach until 25 meter height in plantation, while in white, it can reach until 40 meter. The trunk for this tree is smooth and straight with a grayish bark. The rubber tree produces rubber or latex that have a high demand in Malaysia. That's why taking care of rubber tree is important for a better production of rubber or latex. The first way of taking care of the rubber tree is manuring the rubber tree. The fertilizer that is always used in manuring rubber tree is NPKMG fertilizer. There is an appropriate time to manuring the rubber tree, as shown as in the table above. There is a lot of nutrient from NPKMG fertilizer that will help rubber tree grow nicely. Next is do the weeding for the rubber field. The weeds that grow around the rubber tree will affect the process of growing. That's why weeding management is important for rubber tree. There are some ways to get rid of weeds. The first one is using some tools such as hoe, machete, and brush cutter. These tools are used for cutting all the weeds and unwanted plants that keep growing at the rubber field. The second one is using some chemical water such as glyphosate and paraquat. To use glyphosate is spraying right through on the weeds. For the paraquat, it needs to mix it with another chemical and spray it using pressure spray. A few days after applying the chemical, the weeds will be dry and it will make it easier to get rid of the weeds and unwanted plants.
So, my part is I will explain about pest and disease management. Pest and disease control in rubber is all about regular inspection and corrective treatment when necessary. Rubber has a long lag phase, which is the time between planting and opening up of the bark for tapping, and which is governed by trigger. With ideal growing conditions, budded clones can reach the required 50 cm girth and 4.5 to 5 years. But poor soil and other conditions may delay this for further 4 years. Common pests and diseases of rubber and their management. First, leaf spot and bird eye spot. The symptom is numerous small circular spots scatter on the leaf surface. Second, spot has transparent center and distinct brown border. Infect young leaf, infect older leaf. The control measure, they need to spraying of detain and fortify weekly. Second, anthracnose and leaf blight. The symptom is leaf affected, unhealthy and yellowish green. Second, in poorly grown seedlings, more or less circular brown spot up to 5 mm diameter with distinct brown margins. Third, how to control measure is first we need to proper drainage of the area plant. Second, correct nutrition of the seedlings or trees. Third, fungicide treatment by spraying the expanding leaf with either Vitagram blue, Daconic or Cupravit at the rate of 2 grams liter of water, at least for round at weekly intervals. Number 3, pin disease. disease. Or number 3, stem and trunk disease. Have two points. First, pink disease. The symptoms is latex drops, formation of open wounds in the bark, salmon pink infestation on the foot region of the tree or branch where moisture is easily trapped. How to control this? Like control measure, mix fungicide solution, wear mask, goggles and boots when mixing fungicide solution. After mix, scrape off fungal growth and apply the solution to infect area. Make sure to use a ladder to reach an affected portion of rubber tree. After that, apply organic foliar fertilizer high in potassium to stimulate bark regeneration. Other than that, control the weed in rubber plantation to suppress disease development and reduce humidity during the long period of rainfall. Lastly, remove the stem and branch to help reduce disease inoculation. Okay, next, brown root bolt. The symptoms is leaves turn yellow and fall, and after that twigs die back, hard dark brown fructification, and then how to control. We need to eradication of infected root or cutting, protectant dressing, or fungistatic chemical. For the last is powdery mildew. The symptoms is fungus appear as white dusty colonies on leaf surface. Second, translucent yellow bloat. How to control this? We need to use routine dusting of sulfur 5 until 7 days interval during disease season. Second, fungicide treatment at plant's young stage. For my second slide is harvesting management. Harvesting or tapping is a process of controlled wooding during which thin shavings of bark are removed. Taper can be for latex in 4 to 5 years after rubber tree planting. For seedling rubber, tree is recommended data when the height 50 cm and the girth is 55 cm to first opening for tapping. The opening of tapping panel can be started when 75% of the rubber trees have met the criteria. The process will be easier by using the equipment and material that I list at my slide. The process of collecting latex is like management. First, we need to collect all latex in cups from each tree. After that, you need to collect the latex, the area already tapped by farmer. And then latex collected from the area is sent to the collection center. At the collection center, they make process and determination of DRC. DRC is meaning dry rubber content. After that, they make coagulation of latex. The coagulation rubber is made into the pieces. After that, the drying process is carried out and continue to further processing, such as like the picture. Okay, the conclusion for our presentation is that to ensure a sustainable future, all stakeholders in the rubber industry must make a cultural shift to agroforestry. From smallholder and rubber plantation companies to the major tire brand to government agencies, research to CSOs. The reward of this transition will be a far more sustainable and resilient rubber sector for all. Other than that, rubber is a prominent plantation crop of considerable significance to the Indian economy. This industrial crop has since emerged as an icon of smallholder stake in the plantation sector of our country. That's all from me. Thank you